Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am back with a quick haul from Dayspring. Dayspring recently had a really good coupon that they had sent out. I can't remember if it was, I think it may have been just 20% off of everything. But I was super excited. I had been looking for a bag to take with me to church to put my Bible in that I could just sit on the floor beside me. Hold on one second, let me get a sip of coffee. That is getting cold. And I need to move it so we can look at this. But these were like, I think $2.99. I wanted to show you guys that these are such great options. They're not heavy duty bags. They're not meant to carry the mother load. I mean, it just won't hold up. But, you know, with God, all things are possible, Matthew 19:26. These are great bags to give to someone. Like, I use these like gift bags too. You know, $2.99 might be a bit much. You know, if I can find them at the Dollar Tree, you know, that's really where I go. But, you know, sometimes they'll put these on clearance. I was going to say, yeah, and these come with like a to and a from. So other people are doing it too. But years ago, I did that. Like, I would get gift bags that had Christian Christmas themes at Cracker Barrel, because I would give big gifts like wreaths and things, and they had those massive bags, and they had the Christmas Christian theme on them, and that's what I would give for all my Christmas gifts to all my family members, my, you know, extending family members, or my nieces and nephews, or you know how that works. So now they need an envelope that big because they just want a gift card. When they get older, they just want a gift card. They're so cute. But I like keeping these available. Our daughter is pregnant, and she's going to have a baby girl. I've shared that before. So I picked up these two, and I think I'm going to use these, at least one of them, on the table or with her gift in it, if that makes any sense. So I'm super excited. You guys are going to get to come with me because I'm going to make a what am I trying to say? A centerpiece, and it'll be gifts for her. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. It's going to be nothing spectacular, nothing super crafty, but I will share that with you. And then I'll probably put her gift in one of these. And I thought these are really, really nice. So, okay, I bought those. So the original intent was to do a Bible bag, but I picked up something at Walmart. So I'll film a Walmart haul and show you what I'm going to use for my Bible bag. So how sweet. They sent me a card. And then they also sent... Oh, that's neat. So this says, make it 13. Most people receive only 12 pieces of personal mail in a year. That's not enough encouragement. Use this free card from Dayspring to encourage someone and make it 13. Hashtag encourage one. Therefore, encourage one another and build each other up. That 1 Thessalonians 5:11, that's NIV. I love that. I think that's going to go in my craft space. So this one is just super cute, and it says, God keeps piling on the good stuff. That is so cute, the ice cream. Every good gift and every perfect gift is from above and comes down from the Father, James 1:17. My sister-in-law is having a birthday soon, and there were the cutest, and I took her gift card for her birthday already, but there were the cutest things at Target Dollar Spot yesterday, and it was all about having an ice cream making station. And she is so creative that I think they weren't very expensive. So I think I'm going to stop today, pick her up like a handful of all that goody stuff, put it in a bag, put this with it, and say, this is just a little extra something for your birthday. Because she's so creative. She's so creative. And I give her a Starbucks card. Okay, so that's just a flyer. They've got Dare to Share the Truth with the Jesus Dare. Ooh, that looks good. I love that. So you get free shipping on this. Ah! I'm dropping it. I'm juggling it. And it's called thejesusdare.com. So I'm going to go look at that because that looks interesting. Yeah, we're to go forth and throughout the world and teach, preach, and make disciples. So that is a good Jesus Dare. Okay, that was the encouragement before Christ left this earth. So many of you, I have a couple of these. They get pretty ratty. So I picked up a new one of these. These were on sale, and so this is the extra large version that I'm going to put straight in my illustrating Bible. This is just going to stay with it. So, yeah, I'm going to start fresh in that Bible with that. So let me put that with that. Okay, this I was super thrilled to find. So when you look at the Illustrating Faith Bible, there's no way to put it in any kind of cover. They came out with one. So I saw it. It was on sale. And I think I had a coupon on top of it. So I just thought, yeah. It was not an expensive Bible cover anyways. So, it's got a nice finish on it. It's not, I don't know about y'all, but I had a cloth Bible cover for years. That thing was so, we have this new term in our house because I say a lot. It was so skanky. It was so bad by the end. And I washed it, and one of my girls took it. I think my youngest, I can't remember who. They're like, I want that, because it had been my Bible cover forever. And I'm sure she just remembers seeing it as a child, and that's why she wanted it. And I can't remember which daughter took it. I think it was my youngest. But anyways, I love this. It has like a finish to it. I mean, it's clearly wipeable. But it says, I have put my hope in His Word, Psalms 135. And it just says it over and over and over. It is the Illustrated Bible cover, and yeah, pretty neat. It is 25-inch cover length, 7.5 strap length. Okay. And, oh, that's great. So you can stick your cover in here. There's no real pockets, but honestly, this isn't the Bible you're going to carry around. This is just to keep it in good condition. So I am super thrilled about this. And this is, yeah, it's that same kind of interesting cover material. The only thing I can say, and I know they mean well, again, it would be great if they would use a wipeable surface on the handles. If this were one I'd be carrying around, I wouldn't like these handles, and I would take these off and I would replace them. I mean, you could hand sew different, easily hand sew different handles on this. Or you could Scotch card. These are really good. So don't be afraid when you look at Bible covers and you think, well, I don't know what to do with that. That's not what I want. You can take these off. Just a few with your seam ripper. You can take these off, put on new ones. I don't even know that I need these. I probably will just have them tucked in because this is going to be set out on my table in my craft space. So, I mean, that's what it is. So but I tell you what, I am super excited to have a cover for my Bible, my Illustrated Faith journaling Bible. So this is going to be great. Okay, friends, you get a freebie, you get an encouragement, and I also picked up 2 of these. So that was a small haul. Oh, and my, this thing. What do you call this? Mat. My mat to protect my journaling Bible. There you go. And by the way, I don't know if you guys ever noticed, well, of course there's the inches, but there's a stencil here. I had never noticed that. Maybe it isn't on my other one. I can't remember. And I have the small and the other big one. But anyway, so fun. And this was like $4, which I think it was normally $6 or $7. So it wasn't bad. All right, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If there's anything here that, encourages you, that you want to share this video with somebody else, please feel free. I just got to say this over and over. Please, whatever you do, always use a coupon. Always look for the sales. Always. I just can't say that enough. And wait until you can get that on sale. Don't, I know, you've heard me say it before, but I'm going to say it again. Just wait till it's on sale and buy it on sale if you can. And then also wait till you have enough in the cart. You can get free shipping. With Dayspring, I think $50 is the breaking point, and then you can get free shipping. So, if you're like $2, $3 short and you want to give one of these as a gift bag, there you go. There's a quick answer. So, anyways, all right, friends, I've said enough. I hope you guys are having a great day. Most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Again, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Love to hear from y'all. And if any of you have this cover for the Large Illustrating Faith Bible, please leave me a message and tell me if you like it or not. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but I'm interested in trying it. So it'll be fun. And if I go to like a Bible journaling class, then I could take it with me if I wanted to use that particular Bible. So that, there's positives, right? Okay. You guys have a great day. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.